po or in the aspect of relationship?
But when you go with the flow, you find happiness.
Kay Ryan naman, sometimes there is value in being still.
Alright, so once again, we have here
Yes, the director for in the aspect of relationship.
So I'm waiting for our
Ano
audio
siya?
to switch on over to our
It
live
pays to win.
stream. We can't
Sometimes,
wait for everyone to watch.
mahirap maging patient,
Earlier
but
we saw that we had an
it's the
official
virtue that
or
we
advanced screening for our friends
Something
in the
happens
industry,
while
our TV and film industry, our influencers.
When it comes to challenges naman po, what were the challenges, if meron po, that did you face in playing the characters Betty and Ryan?
challenges.
Pero kasama na kasi
Oo,
yun eh,
kasama.
getting into the deepest recesses of our emotions, di ba? Yung parang letting go of your fear. Allowing yourself to be vulnerable. Kasi it's when you let go and when you become open that you're most real. Okay? Yeah?
Kayo po, sir?
Same. Oo, same. Kasi hindi yung journey ng parehong characters.
If I may follow up, how did you access those emotions? It sounds like a very heavy thing.
I've been through life.
So, nag-flashback lang sila.
Walk in the park na lang.
No, but you know, I've been through the ups and downs of life, and then when you go through life and you mature and you grow up, you transcend a lot of fears. You become your more authentic self. Mas real yung namnam mo sa mga emosyon. So, you just have to dig in as an actor. You have to dig in the core, yung core mo as a person, and therefore you bring that to the character.
Merong malaking factor para sa aming samahan tatlo. yung binigay ni Direk Aileen na collaborative space, dahil halimbawa yung character ni Ryan, hindi man nangyayari sa akin absolutely or entirely lahat ng nangyayari sa kanya. Maraming mga references na binigay si Direk Aileen na pinagpapasalamat ko, dahil kung hindi, medyo kakapa ako, di ba, mag-iimbento, but dahil naging klaro sa kanya yung gusto niya, yung vision niya, then binigay niya yung space sa amin to create, then nabuo nung shooting na yun, yung magic, kumbaga.
Yeah, I want to give credit to Direk Aileen. As a writer and director, she was in full control of her narrative.
So, from that po, for Direk Aileen po, you've worked on different love stories already po. What do you think makes this film different from the previous ones, or do you have any inspiration in directing this movie po?
Yung friend ko na mahilig manood ng mga pelikula ko, lagi siyang galit sa lahat ng lalaki sa mga pelikula ko. So, this is the first time na sinabi niya, hindi siya galit sa male character. So, I think maturity rin sa akin. So, kaya siya iba kasi baka nag-iba tingin ko sa lalaki at sa mundo. It's a more mature story, and sabi ko nga, nung napanood ko yung final cut, nung 2:00 ng madaling araw na pareho ko silang tinext, na sinabi ko, parang yung iba kong dating pelikula, may ego pa ako, and ito parang tinanggal lahat yon. Tinanggal lahat. It's just a more giving film. It's more of not what we can take, but what we can give. Yung ano. Hindi na siya masyadong galit.
I'm very hopeful.
Very hopeful.
Direct question po. Tingin niyo po, mas mahihirapan kayong gumawa ng kwento if the gender roles were reversed, yung mas matanda yung lalaki kaysa babae?
Hindi naman. Kasi nasa kung ano yung material pa rin naman yun eh. Hindi siya dapat maging mahirap kung ano yung mas mahirap. Ang mas maano doon is paano mo bubuuin yung kwento. Yung proseso yung mas pinaka-challenge rather than kung ano yung mas madali o mas mahirap.
Tapos follow-up question ko, nung ginawa niyo po yung kwento, do you had the actors in mind?
Sila.
I see.
Sila na po.
Sila na po talaga yung naisip
na
yung
po.
mag-play ng characters.
May magic si Direk, no?
I guess diba,
Galing mag-cast.
in this question po, I think I overheard na the story or the project was 7 years in the making. How has the project evolved since then? Since it's a very current story, na parang usang relationships na medyo blurry ang labels and whatnot, yung mga ganung modern dating. So, medyo surprising to hear na 7 years na siya kasi it's so current. So, how has it evolved since then?
Yung core ng kwento, hindi siya masyado nagbago. But the form and maybe the aesthetics, marami nagbago siya surrounding it. In fact, originally we were supposed to shoot in Cuba.
Medyo
So,
pa
but
kami.
that was pre-pandemic, so imagine, and dami na nagbago in terms of consciousness. Kay Direk, dapat si Direk Mo kasi yung pananaw niya, Direk, please.
Yeah, the evolution ng philosophy ng buong habang nagmamature. Kasi iba rin yung ginawa sa atin na outside forces, di ba? That we don't belong to just ourselves anymore. Parang nasaan tayo sa mas malawak na konteksto ng lipunan, ano yung pakiramdam, ganun. So parang nandun siya sa mas transformative experience.
Siguro last question po, since we're talking about relationships po, what do you think about situationships in general or relationships that don't have a specific label? Are you for it or against it, like personally?
I'm okay with it.
Mas naintindihan ko sila after doing the film. Kasi as actors, we get to experience different people. So, like si Ryan is a completely different person. So, may bagong perspective. Kasi parang kinailangan maunawaan namin bakit ganun yung choices niya. And for you to do that, kailangan mo mas malalim na pag-unawa about everything around you, about relationships, about how you view love. So parang nagkaroon ako ng bagong, parang may new appreciation ako. Bakit? May ganito pala. Situationships, etc. So, actually that's what the film is all about. That's why I hope maraming makapanood, especially for people in a similar situation.
Hindi siya
Right, we are down to our last
Gen Z
minute
siya.
for
As in
our
talaga,
round 3
promise.
of our speed dating with our cast
Maraming
director.
Gen Z na gustuhan siya eh. So parang,
Yeah.
wow, natuwa naman ako sa mga Gen Z na parang mas iba rin silang mag-isip.
You've seen the trailer.
Yes.
What is how do you feel?
Lighthearted po siya.
Lighthearted.
Masasabi namin, basta.
Basta.
Basta.